Let's create a very simple CDS view to be used for authorizations. I've given the name and description. Click next. I've changed the SQL view name, given the tables, and specified the join conditions. Let me introduce a parameter as well. And I'll do a control space to select all the fields. I'll not use all the fields. Just remove this. Now our CDS view is ready. Let's do a quick data preview. I'll specify LH. Now we got some data. Now we'll try to control this access using literals or PFCC authorization objects by creating different DCL objects. Now let me create a very simple DCL to be used along with this CDS view. I'm right clicking on the core data services node and select new and access control, give a name, click next and specify the package or the transport, click next. Here also we can select different templates. Now we'll just use a simple condition, a literal value. So I'll select this template and click finish. I'll replace this CDS entity with the CDS view name and give a condition here. I'll simply replace all these things with car ID equals LH and save it, activate it. Now let's try to view the data from the CDS view. Basically, this authorization object will allow only those entries having carrier ID LH. So we'll do a data preview. If I give LH, I should still see the data. Okay. Just to check the data at the source table, a slide, we have several entries with carrier ID value apart from LH. We have an AC, AF, and SQ. So let's try to display if it displays any entry with carrier ID AC and do a data preview. I will enter AC here. Now if I click OK, it doesn't show me anything. So basically it's filtering out all the entries. So effectively it's controlling the access to the CDS view based on the carrier ID value specified in the DCL here. Now let me change this to AC just to check and activate it. I will do a data preview again here and specify the same value AC. It gives me an entry here, one entry. Now if I do the same data preview and specify LH, I should not get anything because it is being filtered out based on the literal value mentioned in the DCL associated with this CDS view. I have replaced the DCL to change the access control using BFCG authorization object. That completes the demo on authorization with CDS. We can change the authorization using different templates specified at the time of creating the DCL object.